See this lightning bug? You see it? He's in distress. He's stung by a spider. He will be dying soon. It's kind of distress light. Just blinks it. Go ahead and put him out. And there's his life force. All smushed. Forever glowing in remembrance. You see we're eaten by this psycho right there. That fucker has to pay. Right there. Bye-bye, fucker. Your ribs coming down. No more of these shenanigans, you asshole. No more lightning bugs have to die for you.